What's up, Mavericks? Let's be honest, accounting and bookkeeping are probably not why you started your business. But here's the thing, messy books cost you real money. Missing deductions, late invoices, and cash flow surprises all add up fast. Now here's where it gets interesting. AI is changing the game. We're talking software that automatically categorizes your transactions, scans receipts in seconds, predicts your cash flow weeks out, and answers your accounting questions in a way you can actually understand. The right tool doesn't just save you time, it can actually help you make smarter financial decisions and catch errors that can quickly become big problems. So today I'm breaking down the 5 best AI-powered accounting and bookkeeping tools for small businesses. I'll cover what makes each one stand out, who it's actually built for, and which AI features deliver real value. We're counting down from number 5 to our top overall pick, so let's get into it. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Wave. If you're launching a new business and want solid accounting automation without a big monthly bill, this one's worth a serious look. Wave has a free tier that covers basic accounting and invoicing, which is a great way to test the software before committing. But to unlock the AI features, you'll need to upgrade to Wave Pro. For a new business, it's still one of the most affordable AI-powered options you'll find anywhere. Once you're on Pro, Wave actually categorizes your bank transactions by learning from your past activity. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. Wave's receipt scanning feature uses OCR technology to pull data from your receipts and automatically attach them to the right transactions. Just snap a photo with your phone and Wave does the rest. Now, Wave's AI isn't going to compete with the premium tools on this list. You won't get predictive cash flow analytics or a conversational AI assistant. But for a new business that needs solid automation without the enterprise price tag, Wave Pro is an excellent starting point. Coming in at number 4 is FreshBooks, which is purpose-built for freelancers, consultants, and service-based businesses. FreshBooks has always been known for making invoicing painless, and its AI features build on that strength in some really practical ways. On the expense side, it automatically imports and categorizes your bank transactions, learns your spending patterns over time, and uses AI to scan and extract data from receipts right from your phone, which is all standard stuff at this point, but FreshBooks does it very cleanly. Now, where it really shines for service businesses is in billing. The platform learns which clients you work with most often, what your typical rates are, and can auto-populate invoices based on your history, which makes turning time into an invoice a whole lot faster. FreshBooks also gives you visibility into spending trends, flags potential cash flow concerns, and gives you smart recommendations on when to follow up on unpaid invoices. And the platform is actively rolling out AI-powered support that can answer accounting questions right inside the app. Pricing scales based on how many active clients you're billing, which makes it flexible as you grow. If you're a freelancer or consultant who wants AI to handle the admin tasks so you can focus on billable work, FreshBooks was built with you in mind. Next up at number 3 is Zoho Books, and it makes this list because it delivers a genuinely impressive set of AI features at a fraction of what the big players charge. Zoho Books is part of the broader Zoho ecosystem, so it integrates well with dozens of other business tools. But the real standout here is Zia, Zoho's built-in AI assistant. Zia lets you ask questions about your finances, like what were my total expenses last month, or which client owes me the most money, and you get instant answers without digging through reports. It also monitors your account proactively, sending alerts about unusual transactions, upcoming bills, and potential cash flow issues before they hit. Bank reconciliation is another area where Zoho's AI team earns its keep. It automatically matches transactions, learns from your corrections, and gets more accurate over time, turning what used to be a tedious manual process into something that takes minutes. You also get AI-powered expense tracking with receipt scanning, automated categorization, and even GPS-based mileage tracking for business trips, all from your phone. And when you look at what you're getting relative to the price, Zoho Books is hard to beat. If you want sophisticated AI without paying enterprise rates, this is the smart pick for you. If you want to learn more about Zoho Books, make sure you check out our video, What is Zoho Books and How Does It Work? That is linked in our description. Now back to our top picks. The number 2 spot goes to Xero, a platform built for businesses that are scaling up and need their whole team working on the same page. Xero has been a favorite among accounting professionals for years, and its AI is a big part of why. It starts with bank reconciliation. Xero automatically imports your transactions and uses machine learning to suggest matches and categories, getting smarter with every approval. What sets it apart here is how well it handles volume. If your business is processing hundreds or thousands of transactions a month, Xero handles that without breaking a sweat. The receipt capture is similarly strong. You can forward receipts to a dedicated email address, and Xero's AI processes them automatically. No need to even open the software. It extracts the data, matches its transactions, and creates entries on its own. Xero also offers AI-powered short-term cash flow forecasting, looking at your upcoming bills, outstanding invoices, and historical patterns to show you potential shortfalls before they become emergencies. And if you work with an accountant or bookkeeper, Xero's collaboration features are genuinely unmatched. Multiple users get real-time access to the same data, and Xero has one of the largest app ecosystems in the space. Over 1,000 third-party integrations, many of which add even more AI capability to your stack. Most growing businesses will want to get one of Xero's more advanced plans to get unlimited invoices and bills, along with a full AI feature set. If you're past the solo stage and need a platform that can scale with your team, Xero is definitely the move. And if you want to learn about all of the features beyond just AI, check out What is Xero Accounting Software and How Does It Work that I've linked in the description. And taking the #1 spot on our list is QuickBooks Online. Now let's talk about why it comes out on top. The AI-powered transaction categorization is extremely accurate. QuickBooks connects to your bank accounts and credit cards, learns to recognize your vendors and habits, and gets more precise the longer you use it. Most businesses see a dramatic reduction in manual corrections within the first few months of using QuickBooks. Receipt capture is best in class. You can snap photos, forward emails, or drag and drop files. Then QuickBooks uses advanced OCR and AI to extract the data, match it to transactions, and flag duplicates. It handles the whole process for you, but the feature that really separates QuickBooks from the competition is QuickBooks Assistant, a full AI assistant built right into the platform. You can ask it things like, show me my profit and loss for Q4, or which of my expenses are tax deductible, and get contextual, intelligent answers. It can also help you navigate the software and generate custom reports on demand. On top of that, QuickBooks offers AI-powered cash flow forecasting up to 90 days out, looking at your income patterns, recurring expenses, and upcoming bills to predict your cash flow position and alert you to potential problems. The automated invoice reminders are also smarter than most. The AI factors in each customer's payment history to determine the right time to follow up and can predict which customers are likely to pay late so you can get ahead of it. QuickBooks isn't the cheapest option on the list, but when you factor in the time saved, the errors caught, and the financial clarity you gain, it pays for itself. It's what we recommend to most small businesses because it simply delivers and it keeps getting smarter. If you want to dig deeper into QuickBooks before committing, I've linked a full breakdown and a sign-up link in the description when you're ready to get started. Here's the bottom line. The right choice depends on where your business is right now. If you're just starting out and watching every dollar, Wave gives you reliable automation without the premium price tag. If you're a freelancer who bills by the hour, FreshBooks is built for you. Budget-conscious businesses that want premium features should look at Zoho Books. Growing companies that need collaboration should go with Xero. And if you want the most powerful, comprehensive platform with cutting-edge AI, QuickBooks Online is the gold standard. The key is to think about what accounting tasks eat up the most of your time right now. Is it categorizing expenses, chasing invoices, or reconciling bank accounts? Pick the tool that uses AI to solve your specific pain points. And remember, these tools get smarter the more you use them. The AI learns your patterns, understands your business, and becomes more accurate over time. So whichever one you choose, commit to it and let the technology work for you. Thank you for watching, Mavericks. I'll see you in the next video.